My name is Chase Iron Eyes. I am an attorney with the Lakota People's Law Project, and I live on the Standing Rock Reservation where more than 150 tribal nations have converged to oppose the Dakota Access Pipeline, which is set to be built under the Missouri River, which is within 1868 treaty territory. And now things have escalated very quickly. The messaging has always been about peace and prayer, but all that changed on September 3rd when vicious attack dogs were brought in by private security, and some women and a child were attacked. Now, today is September 8th, and the governor of North Dakota has indicated that he is calling in the National Guard because he declared a state of emergency about 2 weeks ago, set up a roadblock, and took some measures that in my personal opinion, were going too far. But now, National Guard personnel, National Guard soldiers are going to be on the ground to protect the construction workers and hopefully to protect the peaceful protesters. Because right now, cooler heads need to prevail. Truthfulness and peace needs to reign on all sides of this historic event. This is the largest event in tribal, state, federal history since 1973, during the armed occupation at Wounded Knee. This is 43 years later. People have different tools to present their arguments and to present their priorities, and that doesn't include, and there is no room for an armed front in this movement. That's something that's very clear coming from the entire camp. No arms and no violence. Only in peace are we strong. I oppose this pipeline. I realize fully that our energy future needs to include in all of the above approach. We consume 20 million barrels of oil per day in America, 88 million barrels worldwide. But we need a just transition into an energy economy, an economic reality that ensures that our children are able to eat the fish that come out of the rivers, eat the crops that are grown with this water, eat the animals that are produced from this land in this water. That's the true source of economic value, and we need to protect that. That is an interest of national security. So this is a most historic and most momentous time that we're in right now in North Dakota. And so we'll be on hand tomorrow to witness and to take part and to ensure that constitutional rights are protected, that human rights are protected, that international law is protected, and that peace and honesty and truthfulness will reign on all sides of the issue.